Okay, so since the Caldor fire, this is what's happened here. We've got the beautiful lake over there, but you know. So, anyways, this here was a pile of just debris that I had to get rid of. Not this, but before there was this old tree. In fact, I think that's it right there, still there. But um, so this the PG&E put that guy wire in the middle of my driveway, so I moved this driveway way over here. So I got plenty of road now, so I don't have to worry about hitting that guy wire. And that was my concern. I even put a little note on their plywood that when they covered the hole, I said, please place the guy wire out there, and they ignored me. But anyways, this is getting this in here to get some gravel in so I can bring my RV in here so that we can do a insurance assessment with our property. Huh, Roxy? Yeah. Well, anyways,